When adding and subtracting negative numbers, you move along the number line in the opposite direction that you move when you add or subtract positive numbers. In other words, adding a negative is like subtracting a positive, or subtracting a negative is like adding a positive. It's most useful to picture the number line when doing these sorts of problems. The first number will be your starting point, say 3. If I'm going to add a negative 5 to 3, I'm going to move in a negative direction, or to the left on the number line, 5 spaces, and arrive at negative 2. So 3 plus negative 5 will be negative 2, as if I subtracted 5 from 3. 1 minus negative 4 will start at 1. Minus a negative will move in a positive direction. Adding 4 to 1, we will arrive at 5. This may seem counterintuitive, where two negatives equal a positive. Think of the numbers like money. When you're adding and subtracting positive numbers, you're making money or losing money. Then think of negative numbers like debt. When you're adding a negative number, you are increasing your debt and actually going in a negative direction. When you're subtracting a negative number, you are getting rid of debt and moving in a positive direction. In this final example, your starting point will be negative 2. You will be subtracting a positive 3, which means you will go the same direction that subtraction normally does for positive numbers, further negative. Negative 2 minus 3 will take you further down in negative direction to negative 5.